Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start in Slide Master because that's where theme backgrounds live. This makes changes consistent across slides. Once you open View and choose Slide Master, select the topmost master slide, not a layout, so the background applies globally. Make sure you're using the desktop PowerPoint app for full control. Next, you'll access background styles or format background to pick a fill, gradient, picture, or pattern. Do this now to see how other layouts inherit the choice. Now you decide the background type and why. A solid fill keeps slides simple. A gradient adds depth. A picture creates brand identity. Click Format Background and pick the fill that matches your goal. For pictures, adjust transparency so text remains readable. Use tile or offset to control repetition. If you need different layouts, modify individual layout slides beneath the master. Once done, click Apply to All to enforce consistency, or leave it on a layout for exceptions. Finish by closing Slide Master and scanning a few content slides to confirm readability and alignment. If some slides didn't update, make sure each slide uses the intended layout. Change slide layout or click Reset to force the slide to inherit the master background. If a background image looks stretched, edit picture format, crop to fill or fit preserves aspect ratio. One troubleshooting tip: local overrides prevent inheritance, so remove manual background formats on a slide to restore.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.